How to increase speed in Instagram Reel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Open Reel section. Then, to speed up your reel, you can simply hold on to the reel and it will speed up to X. Another thing what you can do is simply hold it with two of your fingers and pull it in the middle from the sides. After you do that, it will speed up as well. And if you don't have that option, you can simply update your applications or wait for Instagram to bring the speed up version in your region. And this is how to increase speed in Instagram Reels. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.